Say hello to Orbital Stack's split screen feature. We know that you put a lot of time and effort into maximizing efficiency. With our new split screen feature, you'll be able to compare two differently designed scenarios side by side or wind directions and seasons. The option is up to you. Once you have your first scenario open in the Orbital Stack viewer, select Split View from the top right. This will automatically open up the default view for the currently selected scenario. The left-hand side of the screen shows the scenario selected and layers. To change the scenario, simply choose an alternate scenario from the drop-down menu or select the different seasons or wind directions that you would like to compare side by side. For additional guidance, please feel free to reach out to us or check out our help site at help.orbitalstack.com.